Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 283. If we start with this box, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 6 here and 8 here. So this is our 7. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 1 here and a 2 here, so this is our 4. That 1 makes this our 2, 1. If we look at this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes, so our 7 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here and a 3 here, so this is our 9. That 3 makes this our 8, 3. For this row now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 4, 7 here, so 6, 7. For this column now, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 8, 8 here, so 5, 9, and no help here, 5, 8, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 4, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. 6 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. No help here. 2, 5, 9. 2 here, so 5, 9, and no help here. 2, 5, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. No help here. 1, 2, 8. 2 and 8 here, so this is our 1. We can get rid of this 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this top row, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 8, 1. That 8 makes this our 2, 8, 2, 8. And that 8 makes this our 5, 9, 8. Let's do some cleanup. With that 9, we can get rid of this 9. All right, for this column, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. That 5 makes this our 2. We can get rid of this 2. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 9. That makes this our 5, 7. That 5 makes this our 9. And for this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.